When demand is perfectly inelastic, an increase in price will result in answer B, an increase in total revenue. If quantity demanded is completely unresponsive to change in price, demand is answer D, perfectly inelastic. Demand for a commodity refers to a answer D, quantity of a commodity demanded at a certain price during any particular period of time. The basic reason of operating the law of diminishing returns is answer C, both A and B. Which among the following statement is incorrect? Answer D. The founder of welfare economics was Alfred Marshall. Which factors are used in short-run production process? Answer C, both A and B. Price of a product is determined in a free market by answer C, both demand and supply. Normally a demand curve will have the shape answer C, downward sloping. The alternative name of opportunity cost is answer A, economics cost. In market equilibrium, supply is vertical line. The downward sloping demand curve shift to the right, then answer C, price will rise. Some economics refer to isoproduct curves as answer B, production indifference curve. Who is the lender of the last resort in banking structure of India? Answer B, Reserve Bank of India. If elasticity of demand is very low, it shows the commodity is answer D, A and C above. Production function shows answer B, technological relationship between inputs and output. In which market AR curve is parallel to x-axis? Answer A, perfect competition. In which stage of production a rational producer like to operate in short-run production? Answer A, first stage. The producer's demand for a factor of production is governed by the dash of the factor. Answer B, marginal productivity. Opportunity cost is the answer B, next best alternative sacrificed. The cycle which increases first and after being constant starts to reduce is called answer D, all of these. Credit creation power of the commercial banks get limited by which of the following? Answer D, all of the above. With the increase in production, the difference between total cost and total fixed cost, answer B, increases. For every market, which condition has to be fulfilled to firm's equilibrium? Answer D, both B and C. An active factor of production is answer B, labor. The economics objections to monopoly rest on which of the following grounds? Answer D, both A and B are correct. What happens to TR when MR is decreasing but remains positive? Answer C, increases at decreasing rate. Identify the aspect of taxation which is related to normative economics. Answer C, equity of tax. On which assumption the law of supply depends? Answer D, all the above. The inputs that a firm uses in the production process are called answer A, factors of production. Other things equal, If a good has more substitutes, its price elasticity of demand is answer A, larger. Which of the following is correct? Answer D, all the above. The shape of average cost curve is answer A, U-shaped. The cost of one thing in terms of the alternative given up is called answer D, opportunity cost. If the price of goods rises by 60% but supply increases by only 5%, the supply of goods will be answer C, inelastic. In the short run, following factors are included in the process of production. Answer C, both A and B. Supply is associated with answer C, both A and B. What is the shape of the average fixed cost curve? Answer D, rectangular hyperbola. In perfect competition, which of the following remains constant? Answer C, both AR and MR. Numbers of time a unit of money change hands in the course of a year, it's called answer C, velocity of money. There are factors of productions. Answer D, 5. Income elasticity of demand is defined as the responsiveness of answer A, quantity demanded to a change in income. Which of the following costs will be zero when production is stopped? Answer D, variable cost. Who propounded the opportunity cost theory of international trade? Answer D, Haberla. An